Hey everyone, Brooke here. I am a registered dietitian at Persona Nutrition, and today we are going to be making one of my favorite healthy appetizers, black bean and corn salsa. This recipe is full of healthy fats, fiber, and carbohydrates. You can even switch out any of the ingredients to your liking. This recipe is great because no cooking is required. For this recipe, you are going to need some black beans, some corn, an avocado, limes for lime juice, a red onion, a red bell pepper, some cherry tomatoes, some cilantro, avocado oil, jalapenos, and salt and pepper. Now we are going to chop it all up and measure the ingredients. Now that all the ingredients are prepped, we are going to assemble the dish. First, we have our corn and black beans. The black beans are going to provide the dish with the fiber and protein, and the corn also contains fiber, but also B vitamins and its carbohydrates. We are also going to be using avocado for its healthy fat, which can give you that satiated feeling. Another healthy fat that we are using is olive oil. Olive oil contains omega-3s, which is great for heart and brain health. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which has linked many health benefits to reduce risk of heart disease. Red bell peppers are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. We are also going to be using some red onion, some cilantro, or jalapenos if you choose to have a spicy taste, and some lime juice. And now we are going to mix all the ingredients. Now that all the ingredients are mixed, grab your favorite chip and enjoy.